Right, so let's cover what happened here yesterday. Well, let's start in Pitcairn when my tire had about half its air pressure and I rode home. First rain of the day. Oh yeah. Sweet. What the hell is that crap? Oh, I'll tell you what. Well, we got a load of propane. That kind of scares the shit out of me, literally. Then on Wednesday, about 10:30, 11 o'clock, I headed for Blairsville. I got to the gazebo, and I had a flat tire. So, here's the gazebo. I tell you, this looks sweet.
No text.
Around Latrobe milepost, I think it was 313. I think it's where it was. My tire came off. So I basically walked from milepost 313 by Norfolk Southern, down back roads to Donahue Road, all the way back here to milepost 333. I basically walked 20 miles. But not only that, 4 times I stopped at 4 different Rite Aids, and I spent $13 on 6 bottles of water at each place. So basically I got 6 there, 6 there, 6 there, 6 there, 4 times. So what, 6, 12, 24 bottles of water. With 8 small bottles and 1 Sam's Choice bottle I've already had. So that's, I mean, you can see that. That's just ridiculous. But here's the damage to my bike. I mean, even the chain got stuck, so I couldn't even pedal it. I just walked the whole way from Latrobe back to here. I mean, the brakes fell apart. I mean, you could just... But to me, still the best relaxation I could have. I tell you what, I don't know what to say. I mean, I got a flat tire in Latrobe and I was still optimistic, so... I mean, I don't know what to say. Let's just say I got it in Blairsville, came off from Latrobe, and I basically walked home from Latrobe train station. Around there is where I started walking, because I couldn't ride it no more. I don't know what to say.